Dear PM students, I'm Abil Ahmed, performance management expert. Let us discuss a question from risk and uncertainty chapter. And this question, one we have taken from a study hub. And if I'll be more specific, this question is on Minimax Regret Rule. When we follow Minimax Regret Rule to make a decision, so the entire focus in Minimax Regret Rule is even at the end of the day, we'll be making a wrong decision, but we want to face the minimum regret. Let's dive into the question. Applying the decision criterion of Minimax Regret, how many sandwiches should the company decide to supply each day? Okay. The mobile sandwich company prepares sandwiches. Look at the name mobile. Okay. Sandwich company prepares sandwiches which it delivers and sells to employees at local businesses each day. Okay, fine. Demand varies between 325 to 400 sandwiches each day. As the day progresses, the prices of sandwiches is reduced. At the end of the day, any sandwiches not sold are thrown away. Okay. They should have given to someone as a donation, but okay, but they have a policy of thrown away. The company has prepared a regret table to show the amount of profit which would be foregone. They won't be able to earn each day at each supply level given the varying daily levels of demand. So they have already prepared the regret table for us. So things are very easy. Okay. Daily supply of sandwiches and we have got daily demand. Let's see if the supply is 325. What will be the maximum regret? How much profit will be foregone? Maximum 0.36. So maximum is 142. If the supply of demand is 325, okay, so the maximum profit which could forego, that is 142. If the supply is 350, then what is the maximum regret you can have? At 350, the maximum regret is 90. If the supply level is 375, the maximum regret is 82. If the supply level is 400, the maximum regret is 120, which means that if supply level is 325, the maximum regret company will face is 142. If supply is 350, the maximum regret amount is 90. If supply is 375, the maximum regret is 82. If supply is 400, the maximum regret is 120. So we have actually found maximum regret amounts on different supply levels. Now we have to decide where we are having the minimum regret. So let's see. One amount is 142.90. So the minimum regret is $82. So when the supply level is 375 and your decision is going to, let's say your decision proves to be wrong, you will have the minimum regret. And the value of this minimum regret is 82. So logically, supply level has to be 375 and the regret amount is 82. Applying the decision criterion of Minimax regret, how many sandwiches should the company supply? So they should supply 375. Let's see what study people have done. They have also done more or less the same thing which we have decided. So students, what we did, we simply first we have taken out the maximum regret values at each supply level, and then we have just chosen where we'll be having the minimum regret. That is when the supply level is 375, your regret is going to be minimum. Okay, now students, a very good news for those PM students. They are appearing in June 2026 specifically. Abil School of Accountancy, we are offering a free, number one, it is free, no charges at all, free. Second, it is live online crash course for June 2026 attempt. So you can just join if you are planning June 2026 attempt, which is very near. So we are offering a free live online crash course in PM, and I strongly recommend do not miss this opportunity. Such opportunities, they come once in a blue moon, and that blue moon is this attempt. So thank you very much. Hope to see you and others in my PM live online crash course. Thank you.